Welcome to SUNY. This is the first part. We are talking about the laser cutting, and we can have a closer look. See this part. Engineer is on operation. 能动吗，师傅？还没调好。Yeah, it's under setting, and later it will be running. And at this moment, we can have a brief look about the CNC laser cutting and bending, the digital control. Okay, from this part we can see it's under testing. Each part will be tested and to make sure the quality. And the following part we can see is a bending machine. From here, each part is manufactured by ourselves. It's very important, and for this part, it's made by ourselves. First, the quality control is a must, and secondly, we can make sure timely delivery. And on this part, okay, the next part is about the drilling. And each hole is fully designed and will be made here. Okay, let's come to the next part. For this part, we can see the custom logo for the mask machine is made here, like this. This one is for the US customer. This is the finished customer roller with your own logo, and on this part, it will be made from here. Each part is well setting, and engineer with enough experience to make sure the quality to be good enough. And on this part, it's also another machine like this. Each part is well designed and made by ourselves. Okay, let's come to the next one. And like this. And from the design and to the finished product, before it make, we will check the design to be good enough. And when the product coming out, we will double check to make sure it can be running and works with our machine. Okay, staff is working here. Okay, if interested, welcome to visit us. We can show you more details and how does it make. Okay, let's have a look on this part. Okay, and the following part is also another heavy machine. It's almost $500,000 investment to get this equipment. It's very important and with advanced technology.
开始了吗？